I love you, I trust you, my dear Father. Rekindle your first love in me. Hallelujah. Rekindle your first love in my heart. I never intended to depart from the trusting child I was, simply knowing just because you are my Father, I am your child, I am acceptable. Your never change, and your never fail. I open my heart to embrace your will. I love you, I trust you, my dear Father. Rekindle your first love in me. Virgins, and your never fails. I open my heart to embrace you. I love you, I trust you, my dear Father. Rekindle your first love in me. Rekindle your first love in me. Ang lahat-lahat ng kapurihan, pasasalamat, kalwalhatian para lamang po sa ating pinakamamahal na pa Jesus.